Hold on, y'all, let me set my watch up. Probably should have stretched before I did this. But yeah, man, what's up? It's a good Sunday morning. And man, I know I've been needing to do this for a while. And I always start and then I always stop. So this time, man, I kind of need y'all to kind of stay on me, man. You know what I'm saying? Stay on me about this fitness thing. I just took a video this morning about, you know what I'm saying, I was showing like how much weight I done gained or whatnot. And yeah. I really need to stay on this time, man, and get myself back together. I done gained a lot of weight. And yeah, that shit need to come off. So starting off with this is November 24th, 2024. Starting off with a little walk around the neighborhood just to see, I ain't gonna say just to see, but to get myself together, man. I'm trying to, cause Ashley, she want to get down with it too, but I can't really lead her into doing nothing if I ain't doing nothing. So let me get myself together first, and then, you know what I'm saying, I can reach back and grab her. You know what I'm saying? Maybe she'll see, okay, yeah, he's serious, or see some progress or whatever. Now, mind you, I ain't even been walking long and I'm breathing hard, so that says a lot. That says a lot, boy. And it's like my body know what I'm doing or something, cause like if I'm walking, just say if I'm walking anywhere else, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't be feeling like I'm finna cramp up or nothing like that. Like I feel like I'm finna cramp up already. It's crazy. So imagine if I was actually jogging or something. I ain't gonna do too much, cause I ain't gonna say I'm old, but I'm older than what I was on some of this stuff. So I'm out here by myself. I don't need to be doing nothing crazy. You know, fell out. Somebody be done found me out here. But yeah, finna get my little walk on, and yeah, see if I can get some of this stuff out the way, man. Get some of this stuff off me. I'll sit back and tell y'all my goals, man. When I get back to the crib, we can go over that and see how that work out. Yeah. Can y'all see that? That bird, I don't even know what kind of bird that is. He probably ain't gonna let me get too close to him though. Yeah, he already moving, look. Look. That boy said nope. I don't know if y'all remember, man, a while ago, I was running these hills right here. Maybe about a year ago, I was running these hills. Guess I gotta get back to it. guess I gotta get back to it, man. I got some nice little stuff going on that I could be utilizing. Took Ashley's maternal pictures right here. Nice little stuff, man, I can be utilizing. All these dang geese over here. I ain't gonna walk down there because one of them attack me. I'm gonna have to pop them. I'm gonna have to do it. Yeah. I was at this bench. No, so I ain't run. No, I ain't run that hill down there. I don't think I was running this hill right here. I guess that car, they still trying to warn me, tell me to stay away from them or something. Man, y'all can carry y'all ass on. Nice little spot, man. Look at that bird. Is it over there? Look at that thing right there. Boy flew over there. That boy said, nope, you ain't getting close to me. Dying geese chasing each other. Boy, still out here. It's feel like it's trying to warm up now though. I done walked 2 miles, so I've been out here an hour, a little over an hour. I done walked 2 miles. I stopped though for a little while. I was sitting at this little pier right here, sitting right there chilling for a minute, editing the reels and stuff that I was making. Yep. Hit my head to the house and start working on some other stuff. Start doing some other stuff. I need to get. Well, I guess I'm gonna go and do a little workout first. I'm gonna do a little workout first, and then start my day. So I guess I'm starting a little late, I guess, but it'll be all good. I need to clean this. Need to clean that man cave out, cause I actually want to start getting stuff together for that. Cause I need that little space to be on point. I need my space to be on point. I am, since it's finna get cold or get cool. I ain't gonna say get cold, but since it's finna get cool, I can go ahead and start trying to put my damn. What I'm finna say. I got the Christmas tree up. I like these like closed in patios with the glass and stuff, sliding glass and stuff. I liked it. I can't even think of my ventilation system. My ventilation system, man, for when I'm smoking my cigars. So I can get that ran. I need to go ahead and buy all this stuff. I guess I'm gonna do that myself. Try to do it myself anyway. Yeah. Run that up. Run a vent. Run it up through the attic. Cause I don't have a return vent. I don't have a return vent in the man cave, so I don't think it wouldn't bother the rest of the system. the rest of the ventilation of the AC or nothing like that, like it wouldn't travel the smoke. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm just thinking about a whole bunch of stuff. I need to get on my whiteboard, write all this stuff out, so that I can have it. But yeah, head back to the crib, man. So I'll see y'all when I get done. Whatever I decide to do when I get there. I don't know yet. Gotta start doing something though. Ashley finally got up, so head on in, see what she got going on. Yo. So, a continuation from yesterday. So I got the dash back in. Y'all see, I ain't put the bottom dash back in, but everything is. This is the button that goes to the Dakota Digital. These wires go up under the what's called dash, the bottom dash. That over there is the cigarette lighter and the cup holder light right here. This is the USB that goes up under there. So there's literally no wires left hanging up under there. So that's a good thing. So we got that out the way. Yeah. Now I'm finna lay me a wash down on this joint. And probably about to go and do some stuff. Cause I wash down, I know some bugs on that thing. Now it's Thanksgiving, man. I get to put my bow on here. That's like a big deal for me. It's like a big deal for me to put my bow on. So let me go ahead. Stuff I didn't even see at first. Let me go ahead and throw this wash down on this thing right fast. Catch y'all in a second.